How do I log into WhatsApp with my email?
In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to log into WhatsApp using your email. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't allow direct email logins, but we'll guide you through an alternative method to access your account.
Can I directly log into WhatsApp with my email?
Unfortunately, WhatsApp does not support email logins. To use WhatsApp, you need to log in with your phone number and verify it through a one-time password, OTP, sent via SMS.
How can I access my account using my email?
Although you can't log into WhatsApp directly with your email, you can recover your account if you've forgotten your phone number or have a new number by using your email address. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. Step 2. Tap on Agree and Continue to accept the terms of service. Step 3. Enter your previous phone number in the space provided. Step 4. Choose the Forgot My Number option. Step 5. Enter your email address associated with your WhatsApp account. Step 6. Follow the instructions sent to your email to recover your account.
What if I don't have access to my previous phone number?
If you no longer have access to your previous phone number, you'll need to create a new WhatsApp account with your new phone number. Unfortunately, your old chats and data won't be transferred to the new account. While you can't directly log into WhatsApp using your email, you can still recover your account using your email address if you've forgotten your phone number or have a new number. Just follow the steps outlined in this video to get your account back up and running.